Okay, the rain has eased off for a bit. You can see the trees, it's blowing pretty good. It's 7 a.m. The storm hasn't hit yet. I'm just going down the side of the house. It's hard to see, but you can see gusts of, gusts of rain coming down. It's pretty windy. The wind's blowing me pretty good as I'm walking around here. Let's see if there's any action. The sky is gray. The trees are blowing pretty good. It's not too bad though. Pretty mild right now considering what we're expecting. As my buddy Tater says, it's not that the wind is blowing, it's what the wind is blowing. And I don't see any Volvos flying down the street yet. Again, this is 7 a.m. The wind is just arriving. Whoa! Yeah, it's blowing good now. But the storm isn't here yet. The rain's starting to come down. Not too bad yet. You can see over there's some houses up on the hill there. Beyond, on the other side of those houses is is Fortune Bay. It's the water, so we're very close to the water here right now. I'm going to try and keep taking some more footage here as the storm gets closer. It doesn't look like much yet, but then again, it's pretty early. This is just the